a.m., the gauge at Reeville on the Neshannock River was rising. River levels were at 6.4 feet. Flood stage is 6.5 feet. At 6.5 feet, roads are subject to closures in the vicinity of the river. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, farmland, and other low-lying spots. Here are the current wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? In New Jersey, western Passaic County. In New York, Orange and Putnam counties. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.
Vulnerable structures behind protect. Service has issued Tornado Watch number 119, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In New York, Brooklyn.
Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen today. Another inch is possible across portions of the warned area. Some locations that could experience flooding include Allentown, Reading, Wyomissing, Northampton, Palmerton, Kutztown, Hamburg, Slatington, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, Waldorf, Bath, Wernersville, Walnutport, Tofton, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, and Lyons. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 28 and 56. Northeast extension near exit A56. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 11. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. The current National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, western Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Churchtown to Severn, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Elkton, Calvert, Chester, Pennsville, Coatesville, Westtown, Smyrna, Carneys Point, Downingtown, Folcroft, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Paulsboro, Kennett Square, Newcastle, and Penns Grove. People attending COVID-19 drive-through testing should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 17. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 12. Interstate 95 in Maryland between mile markers 91 and 109. New Jersey Turnpike near exit 1. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 7. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for central and northern Delaware, northeastern Maryland, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware. The following
in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of North Cape May, or 11 miles northwest of Cape May, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Ocean City, Cape May, North Wildwood, Wildwood Crest, Woodbine, Seal City, Estill Manor, Avalon, West Cape May, Stone Harbor, Corbin City, Cape May Courthouse, Scotch Bonnet, Beasley's Point, Sayville, Dennisville, Strathmere, Eldora, North Cape May, and Belle Plaine Forest. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile marker 0 and 27. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southern New Jersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Cape May, and Cumberland. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area.